I really like doing fringe.
Yeah.
It really adds a lot. So you can see where I've got my red around that flower. You can see the red. That's my bobbin.
Thread.
I just used a red bobbin thread. Kimberbell's tweezers are great because they have that beveled edge on them.
Right.
And so it kind of helps cut your thread a little bit. Just kind of push that until I get that out. Okay.
So you're pulling the red out.
I'm pulling the red. I can also just take my scissors here and just cut those threads. But you can see this takes a little bit more time.
Do you feel like you're performing surgery?
I do. I'm gonna flip it around here.
Pull out those corners, right? And then you're just pulling out the fringe.
You can see that just is coming out. See how that just comes right out?
It does.
But you can see, yes, that was done in a matter of seconds.
Exactly.
This takes a little bit more tedious work to do it that way. So yeah. So there you go.
I love that.